and welcome to lesson number 2 of module 4. This lesson is called Notice Yourself Noticing. And we're going to start this lesson with a mindfulness exercise called There Go Your Thoughts. So I encourage you to find a comfortable position and to close your eyes. Now just notice, where are your thoughts? Where do they seem to be located? Above you, behind you, in front of you, to one side? And notice the form of those thoughts. Are they pictures, words, sounds? And notice, are they moving or still? And if moving, what speed and what direction? Notice there are two separate processes going on here. There's a process of thinking. Your thinking self is throwing up all sorts of words and pictures. And there's a process of noticing. Your observing self is noticing all those thoughts. Now this gets your mind worrying and debating, analyzing. So let's try this again. Notice, where are your thoughts? Are they pictures or words? Moving or still? There go your thoughts, and there you are, observing those thoughts. Your thoughts keep changing. The you that observes them does not change. Okay, so once again, I know this gets your mind worrying, debating, and analyzing, so let's do this one last time. Notice, where are your thoughts? Are they pictures or words? Moving or still? There go your thoughts, and there you are, observing them. Your thoughts change, you don't. Alright, great job. So in that exercise, hopefully you found that part of you that is aware of everything you see, hear, touch, taste, smell, feel, think, and do. If you didn't, feel free to go back and do that exercise again. That's totally okay. Now, sometimes clients will say to me, I don't get it. I don't seem to have an observing self. I just keep thinking and thinking. And my reply to them is, okay, so you can notice yourself telling me this? Can you notice your feelings of confusion? Can you notice the sensations of that frown upon your forehead? Can you notice all your thoughts about not getting it? Can you notice me talking to you? Can you notice what you're thinking now about my reply? Okay, so there's a part of you in there that notices everything. That's it. That's the observing self. We all have an observing self. So the observing self is not a thought or a feeling. It's a viewpoint from which you can observe thoughts and feelings. It's a viewpoint. That's why I actually prefer the term pure awareness, because that's all it is, awareness. And that's the reason that I entitled this module Pure Awareness. Your thoughts and images change continuously. I mean, how many thoughts have passed through your head in this past hour alone? Sometimes they're pleasant, sometimes painful, sometimes helpful, sometimes a hindrance, but one thing's for sure, they keep changing. The same is true for your feelings and sensations. Sometimes you feel sad, sometimes you feel happy, sometimes calm, sometimes angry, sometimes healthy, sometimes sick. Again, how many different sensations and feelings have you experienced in the past hour alone? Your body changes continuously. The body you have now is not the one you had as a baby, as a child, or as a teenager. You generate a whole new set of skin every 6 weeks, a whole new liver every 3 months. And every single year, 95% of the atoms in your body are replaced by new ones. Your roles also change continuously throughout your life. Sometimes you're in the role of a parent, child, brother, sister, aunt, or uncle. At other times, you take roles such as that of a client or customer, a patient, helper, assistant, employer, employee, citizen, friend, enemy, student, teacher, advisor, tourist, visitor, and so on. Just notice the role you're in right now, that of a listener and that of a learner. So the roles you play and your thoughts, images, feelings, sensations, and physical body all change continuously throughout your life. But the observing self does not change. The observing self is a viewpoint from which you observe everything else. Thoughts, feelings, sensations, roles, your body, and so on. The viewpoint itself never changes. You can think of it as the part of you that truly sees the big picture. By big picture, I mean everything you ever experience, everything you ever see, hear, touch, taste, smell, think, feel, or do. The observing self sees it all. Alright, so I hope that quick exercise helped you experience pure awareness. In the next lesson, we're going to delve even further into pure awareness. When you come to know this, I think you're going to be in awe of what you can do, of the ability and potential that exists within you. It really is a wonderful thing once you can tap into this part of yourself, pure awareness. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.